In this class, let us discuss about string functions in C. The common string functions are string length, string copy, string encopy, string concatenation, string compare, string encompare, string lower, string upper, string reverse. All these string functions are predefined in string.h. Hence, when you are writing a program, about the string functions, we should include include string.h. You should write compulsory. Clear? Right? Because all these functions are predefined in string.h. So first one, string length. So it is used to find out number of characters in the string. String copy. We can copy one string data into another string. String n copy, up to n characters you can read. And string concatenation, we can join two strings. And string compare, we can compare two strings, and up to n characters we can compare by using string number of characters comparison. String lower, convert. So convert into lowercase means convert higher or uppercase letters into lowercase letters. String upper converts lowercase letters into uppercase letters. And string reverse, we are going to reverse the string. Okay, so these functions I'm going to explain individually along with a program. So let us discuss our first one, string length function. In C programming, the length of a string means the number of characters present in the string, excluding the null character. Length of string means the number of characters present in the string, excluding the null character. For example, I am writing here character a of 10 equal to, so JBREC. Now is a variable, so it will store like this, JBREC backslash 0. JBREC and backslash 0. Okay, na? So in this way it stores in the memory. But whenever coming to the length, so it's excluding this null terminator backslash 0, so only remaining will be give us output. So 1 2 3 4 5, it will give us answer is only 5 characters, so the number is 5 will be written. Okay, na? So that is string length function. So already is predefined in the string dot h. So syntax, so int string length. So int is nothing but return data type. String length is a variable name, and constant character means arguments. It's nothing but arguments or variable we are passing. So string length counts the characters in the string until it reaches the null character. Okay, na? JBREC backslash 0. Like this it stores inside the memory. I declared. Okay, na? So it, the string length counts the characters until it reaches to backslash 0. So 1 2 3 4 5, next is backslash 0. No, it stop counting. Okay, so it counts the length only 5. It returns the 5 as a integer value. Okay, na? Always string length returns the length as an integer. It returns the integer. So how many characters are there inside the string? So it returns the integer value 5 6 7. So 5 6 7 are the integers. No, hence it returns integer value. String length function returns integer value. Okay, let us discuss a program. So ash include stdio.h. C program start with standard input output header file because printf and scanf functions are predefined in stdio.h. Okay, now we should include another header file string.h because all the functions or string functions are predefined in string.h header file. So this is a main function. So I'm declaring, so character array. Okay, na? So string is a character array. No, so str is a variable name and the size is 50. So we can store up to 50 characters inside the string variable because which are declared as a character array. Now string length equal to, so for example string, okay, na, 50, that equal what I assigned here, hello world. So group of characters, when I enclose in this double quotation, it is a string. No, okay. Now it stores like this. Okay, str is a variable name, array name, and HELLOORLD and backslash 0. So in this way it stores inside. Okay. Now, so what is string length means? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, na? So this backslash 0 excluded because it stops counting. No, whenever it reaches backslash 0 or null character, so string length function stops. Okay, na? Counting the number of characters. Okay, na? So int length, because so length is what, int length is a variable name, integer is a data type, length is a variable name. So string length str, so it returns 10. So 10 is loaded into the length is a variable which I declare as integer. No, so which can 10 here. Okay, na? It is an integer. No, because why I'm writing integer, string length function always returns integer. Okay, that's why I declare this length is a variable which I declare as an integer. Hence, so this number of characters in a string will be returned here. Okay, so printf length equal to percentage, because my answer is there in length, no, which I declare an integer. So my answer is 10 here. Okay, in this way, so the string length function is going to work out. Okay, now let me explain through an example. Right, this is hash include str.h we wrote, and we should include string.h function. So every C program start execution start from the main function. So string str50, so it can store up to 50 characters. So this is assigned. I'm assigning the string, and integer is a data type. Length is a variable. Length is a variable which I declare as an integer data type, and because our string length function returns integer as a return data type. Okay, na? So how many characters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sorry, it backslash also takes a variable. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Total 11 characters will be printed as of my output. Okay, right. So here I'm printing percentage d because it integer. No, so string length function returns integer value. So hence I should write percentage d. My answer is then len is a variable. 11 is stored here. So then return 0. Let me execute this, compile and run. So it returns 11 is my answer. Okay, now, so 11 characters are there. Okay, so backspace also included. So this is my output. Okay, now, so for example I am writing another, changing this, welcome to JBREC, right? So how many characters are there here? Let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now it will return us 16 is a number of characters in a string. Okay, let me compile and run it. Now it will give us the output is a 16, because there are in a string I defined the 16 characters. Okay, now, so this blank spaces also will take as a one character. Okay, okay, so here this is a string length function. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching.